Whether you need to get your equipment up and running or keep it running, Willbanks is the leader in timely repairs and preventative maintenance. Our highly trained technicians are ready to diagnose your issues and provide you with the best solutions 24/7. At Willbanks, no job is too big or small, and our factory-trained technicians provide end-to-end support from installation, troubleshooting, to combustion analysis and life cycle review. We keep your systems fine-tuned and optimized for maximum efficiency. Willbanks is the industry's most trusted resource. So when you think boiler, think Willbanks.